Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anglina Dcosta, urologist and intimacy wellness specialist, and I welcome you to today's important conversation. In my 18+ years of medical practice, I have worked with thousands of men and couples who struggle silently with emotional and physical intimacy, especially after the age of 50, 60, and beyond. And the truth is, most people never receive real guidance on how to create deeper connection and satisfaction in their relationships. Society teaches performance, but never teaches presence, patience, and emotional understanding, which are the true foundations of meaningful intimacy. As we grow older, our bodies change. Hormone levels drop, sensitivity may decrease, stress increases, and communication between partners often becomes weaker. Many men feel pressure to perform, while many women feel unheard, unseen, or disconnected. But here is the good news: intimacy can become more fulfilling with age, not less, when we learn to approach it with gentle awareness and science-based understanding. In this video, I want to share the real secret to intimate, loving touch the right way, and 7 expert tips specifically designed for men over 50, backed by anatomy, psychology, and clinical observation. This is not about tricks or shortcuts. This is about slowing down, understanding a woman's emotional and physical rhythm, and learning how connection builds pleasure naturally. Intimacy is not only physical, it is healing. It reduces stress, improves heart health, strengthens relationships, and releases oxytocin, the hormone of bonding and trust. When a woman feels safe, respected, and emotionally supported, her body responds more openly. That is where real closeness begins. So stay with me till the end. Today may transform the way you experience love and connection forever. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Firstly, let's begin with why intimacy changes after 50. In this section, I want to speak honestly and compassionately about why intimacy naturally changes after the age of 50, both for men and for women. These changes are not weaknesses, not failures, and not something to be ashamed of. They are normal biological transitions that every couple experiences. Understanding them is the first step toward deeper emotional and physical connection. As we cross 50, hormones begin to shift. In men, testosterone levels gradually decline, which can affect energy, mood, confidence, and physical responsiveness. In women, estrogen levels decrease, especially approaching and after menopause, leading to changes in sensitivity, natural lubrication, and emotional comfort during intimacy. These physical changes can sometimes create distance between partners, not because love is gone, but because communication stops. Many men who visited my clinic tell me they feel pressure to perform the same way they did in their 20s or 30s, and that pressure itself becomes the biggest obstacle. Stress, work responsibility, sleep quality, medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or the heart, all of these affect intimacy more than people realize. For women, emotional connection becomes even more essential. When she feels supported, respected, and safe, her body responds more positively. The truth is this: after 50, intimacy is less about speed and more about emotional closeness. It becomes richer when both partners focus on affection, patience, and gentle touch rather than rushing or performance expectations. Slowing down actually increases sensitivity and pleasure for both, because the brain becomes the primary source of arousal, not just the body. Another important factor is communication. Couples who openly talk about what they feel and what they need experience dramatically stronger relationships and more satisfying intimacy, even stronger than in youth. When partners stop talking, misunderstanding grows. But when they communicate, connection deepens. Intimacy after 50 has the potential to be the most meaningful stage of love: calmer, wiser, more emotional, and more connected. It is a chance to rediscover each other, not to compare with the past. So instead of asking, "What is wrong with me?" ask, "How can we grow together from here?" The journey is only beginning, and it can be beautiful. Next in this section, I want to share something that I have learned through many years of medical practice and counseling couples. The real secret to pleasing a woman is not technique, not physical strength, and not performance. The true secret is emotional presence, communication, patience, and gentle understanding. Many men believe that intimacy is about doing something perfectly or trying hard to impress. But in reality, what most women desire is to feel seen, heard, valued, and emotionally safe. When a woman feels emotionally connected, her body naturally responds with more sensitivity, warmth, and receptiveness. Without connection, even the best technique feels empty. With connection, even the simplest touch becomes powerful. Presence is more important than performance. Being present means giving your full attention, listening with the heart, observing her responses, and staying connected in the moment, instead of thinking about how to perform or what to do next. When you are mentally calm and emotionally available, she feels secure, and that security opens the door to real intimacy. Patience is a superpower. Most men rush because they feel pressured by time or by performance expectations. But the female body works differently than the male body. Women need more time to emotionally and physically warm up, especially after age 50, when hormonal changes may slow arousal. Going slow is not weakness, it is wisdom. Gentle, gradual, affectionate connection creates far stronger responses than speed or intensity. Communication is the greatest tool. Ask her what she enjoys. Encourage her to express what feels good and what doesn't. A woman's body is intelligent, she knows what she needs. Instead of guessing, listen. The perfect rhythm is the one guided by her comfort. Emotional intimacy before physical intimacy. A loving conversation, a warm hug, kind words, holding hands, breathing together, these small actions activate oxytocin, the bonding hormone. This relaxes her mind and body and creates trust. When a woman feels emotionally supported, her body follows naturally. Confidence without ego. Confidence is attractive. Ego is destructive. Confidence says, I am here with you. Ego says, I must prove something. Women connect to humility, softness, and emotional maturity more deeply than to physical strength. Respect is the foundation. The most powerful way to please a woman is to treat her with respect, tenderness, and gratitude. When she feels cherished and understood, she opens emotionally, and that emotional openness becomes physical connection. The heart leads the body. Real intimacy is not about perfection, it is about connection. The greatest pleasure comes when two people feel safe with each other, when they trust each other, and when they communicate with love instead of pressure. When a woman feels emotionally safe, her body responds naturally, and that is the real secret. Stay with me, because next, I will reveal 7 expert gentle touch tips, specifically for men over 50, that can transform relationships in the most beautiful way. Now I want to share something that has helped thousands of couples reconnect emotionally and physically. In this section I will discuss with you all 7 expert gentle touch tips designed especially for men over 50. These insights come from years of medical practice, counseling experience, and observing what truly strengthens intimacy in long-term relationships. As we grow older, intimacy becomes less about speed or physical performance, and more about connection, patience, presence, and emotional warmth. These tips are not about technique, they are about building trust, comfort, and closeness between partners. Tip number 1. Begin with emotional warmth. Intimacy starts long before physical touch. A loving conversation, holding hands, eye contact, or a warm hug signals care and safety. When a woman feels emotionally understood and valued, her body naturally relaxes and responds. Tip 2. Slow down the pace. Patience is powerful. Many men rush without realizing that the female body needs time to warm up, especially after 50. Slow, intentional, gentle movements create deeper connection and stronger emotional response. Tip 3. Pay attention to her responses. Every woman expresses comfort and enjoyment through subtle signals, breathing, facial expression, body movement, silence, or sound. These natural cues guide you better than any guessing. Follow her rhythm, not your plan. Tip 4. Use soft, relaxed hands. Gentle, warm touch releases oxytocin, the hormone of bonding and calmness. Keep your hands relaxed, rather than firm or tense. Soft touch increases sensitivity and emotional comfort. Tip 5. Explore with curiosity, not with urgency. There is no finish line. Intimacy is a journey to enjoy, not a race to complete. Stay present in the moment rather than thinking about the outcome. Discovery and comfort matter more than expectation. Tip 6. Encourage communication. Simple questions like, is this comfortable, do you like this, or guide my hand, if you want, create trust. When she feels safe to express herself, closeness grows. Communication removes pressure and builds connection. Tip 7. Make affection a habit, not an event. Touch should not happen only during intimacy. Gentle affection during daily life, holding hands while walking, touching her shoulder, a soft kiss on the forehead, builds emotional connection and keeps love alive. Intimacy after 50 can be more meaningful, more emotionally fulfilling, and more deeply connected than ever before. When you approach your partner with patience, gentleness, respect, and understanding, you create a safe space where love can grow freely. The most powerful form of touch is the one that says, I am here with you, I value you, and you matter to me. Real intimacy is not about performance. It is about presence, not about perfection. It is about connection. Stay with me for the next section, where I explore how emotional connection strengthens long-term relationships and transforms intimacy into something truly beautiful. Next in this segment, I want to speak about something that is far more powerful than physical touch, emotional connection. After many years of working with couples of all ages, I truly believe that emotional intimacy is the heart of a successful relationship, and it becomes even more important as we grow older. In the early years of a relationship, everything feels exciting and new. Passion often comes automatically, but as time passes, responsibilities increase, routines take over, and life becomes busy. Children, work stress, financial concerns, and health changes can slowly build distance between partners without anyone realizing it. Many couples tell me they live under the same roof but feel emotionally separate. And that silent distance hurts both people deeply. However, the beautiful truth is that emotional connection can be rebuilt. It is never too late to bring back closeness, softness, and partnership. Intimacy does not fade because of time, it fades when communication stops. When partners reconnect emotionally, physical intimacy returns naturally, and with greater meaning. So what creates emotional connection in long-term relationships? 1. Honest and open communication. Speak from the heart, without blame. Share feelings, dreams, struggles, and gratitude. Listening with love is more important than agreeing on everything. 2. Appreciation and acknowledgement. A simple thank you, I am proud of you, or I am grateful for you can rebuild emotional closeness instantly. Appreciation is nourishment for the heart. 3. Spending quality time together. Put away phones. Sit together, take a walk, enjoy a meal, watch the sunset. Presence is the greatest gift you can offer someone you love. 4. Showing affection daily. Gentle touch, holding hands, hugging longer than usual, or placing a hand on the shoulder can speak louder than words. Small gestures build big bonds. 5. Supporting each other emotionally. Instead of trying to fix every problem, sometimes just listening and saying, I am here with you is enough. Support creates safety. 6. Forgiveness and understanding. No relationship survives without forgiveness. Learn to release small conflicts, instead of storing them. Peace brings closeness. 7. Protecting the relationship. Prioritize each other. Treat each other with tenderness and dignity. Love is strongest when partners stand together, instead of against each other. Long-term love is not built by grand gestures, it is built by everyday kindness, curiosity, patience, and care. When partners choose each other again and again, even after years, something magical happens. Emotional connection transforms ordinary moments into deep intimacy and lifelong companionship. Remember, the strongest intimacy begins in the heart, not in the body. When the heart is connected, every touch becomes meaningful, every moment becomes precious, and love becomes unbreakable. Stay with me. Next, I will move into the final reflective conclusion on transforming relationships after 50. So there you have it, viewers. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I am Dr. Anglina Dcosta, and I truly hope today's conversation has offered you clarity, encouragement, and a renewed sense of hope. Intimacy and emotional closeness are not limited to youth. They evolve, deepen, and become even more meaningful with age. Love is not something that fades, it is something we learn to do better with time. As a urologist who has worked with countless men and couples over the years, I have seen the emotional burden many people silently carry: feelings of insecurity, fear of not being enough, pressure to perform, and the sadness that comes when distance grows between two people who once felt inseparable. But I have also witnessed something incredibly powerful: the moment when a couple chooses to rebuild, reconnect, and rediscover each other. The truth is simple, but often forgotten. Intimacy is not a performance. It is a partnership. It is not about perfection, it is about presence. It is not about achieving something, it is about experiencing something together. When we slow down, listen, communicate, and approach each other with patience and kindness, the entire relationship transforms. The body responds more naturally, the heart opens more freely, and trust becomes stronger than ever. Small changes, like soft affectionate touch, honest conversations, shared laughter, and simple daily connection, create a profound emotional bond that no age can weaken. If you are over 50, 60, or even 70, please remember, your best years of intimacy are not behind you, they can be ahead of you if you choose to nurture them. Age brings wisdom, understanding, and emotional depth that young relationships rarely possess. With maturity comes the ability to love more thoughtfully, more gently, and more truthfully. So today, I invite you to take the first step. Speak a little softer. Hold your partner a little longer. Say the words you have been keeping inside. Show affection without waiting for the perfect moment. Moments become memories, and memories become love stories that last a lifetime. You deserve connection. You deserve tenderness. You deserve a relationship filled with joy, safety, and genuine closeness. And remember, real intimacy does not live in the body first, it lives in the heart. When two hearts choose each other, every year becomes a blessing and every day becomes an opportunity to grow closer than ever before. Thank you again for being part of this journey. If today's message touched you or inspired you, please share it with someone who may need hope and guidance. And if you want more conversations on men's wellness, emotional intimacy, and relationship health, stay connected with me here. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips, designed especially for seniors who want to stay healthy, strong, and independent. May you continue to walk with strength, energy, and joy. Until next time, take care of yourself, you deserve it. Thanks for watching.